No limits. It starts with a need, not just to hear the music, but to feel it. The NVY-M8 was built for that moment. This 8-inch all elements ready coaxial gets loud and stays there, no matter where your adventure takes you. No limits to where you can go, no limits to what you ride, no limits to what your system can become. If you're building an open air system, this is the speaker to start with. It handles real power and won't get drowned out by anything. In fact, the NVY-M8s get loud instantly, and since they're rated at a manageable 200 watts RMS, you don't need a monster amp to power them. They're built with a Kevlar reinforced cone and a neodymium motor that enhances bass, clarifies mids, and delivers extremely clear vocals with no distortion in any environment. And because it's a coaxial, you've already got a floating bullet tweeter built in. That means one perfectly tuned speaker gives you the full spectrum of sound without the need for extra components. And although it's beautiful with integrated digital LEDs, it's extremely tough too. Made strictly for open air builds, UTVs, Jeeps, side-by-sides, no matter where you place them, they won't fold. This is NVY-M8 by DS18, where audio has no limits.